In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an issue type in Jira. If you've ever found yourself needing to modify how an issue is categorized in Jira, whether to update its status or just keep your projects better organized, this guide is here to help. We'll walk through the process step by step, making sure you understand not only how to make the change, but why each step is important. To start off, you'll want to navigate to the specific issue you wish to modify. It's crucial to be clear about which issue you're going to update to avoid making changes to the wrong item. Once you've identified the issue, the first thing you'll do is open it. This means simply clicking on the issue in your backlog or wherever you have it listed so you can view its details. Opening the issue will provide you with an expanded view that displays all available options related to that issue. Now take a look near the issue number or summary, and you should see an icon that represents the current issue type, such as a bug, task, or story. This icon is typically placed to give you a quick understanding of the issue without needing to open its full details, which helps in managing large projects effectively. Clicking on this icon is your next step. Once you click the issue type icon, you will be presented with a drop down or a menu. Here you'll be able to choose from other available issue types. This flexibility allows you to change the designation to better fit the current needs of your project. It's worth noting that changing an issue type might affect how the issue is handled in workflows, so it's always a good idea to double check your project settings if you have specific rules in place. Lastly, to confirm the change, you need to make sure the drop-down closes and the new issue type visually updates. If the process is successful, you should see the updated issue type icon replace the old one. If you're working within a team, it's useful to communicate these changes as they might impact how your teammates interact with the issue moving forward. Remember, proper categorization can greatly enhance your team's efficiency and project's clarity. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've learned how to change an issue type in Jira swiftly and easily. By following this method, you'll be better equipped to keep your projects tidy and more accurately reflect the status of your tasks or stories. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on using Jira to its fullest potential.